last few days, overnight, the Zappi's been turning off with a 2417 code. Output relay has failed. Now, if you don't know about electrics, stay away. If you don't know what you're doing, don't touch it. Buy another one or call somebody out to get it sorted. But it's quite a simple fix. 20 quid item, buy the same as you take out, and I've just done this one and I've fixed it. So let's show you how it's done. So that's the board out of the Zappi. Got these three relays, or solenoids, whatever you want to call them, here. That's your power in, that's your earth, and that's your power out. That's the one that clicks on and off all the time. That's the one that normally fails. If we look down the back there, can't see too well. There is a bit of discoloration down there. Go on the other side, a little bit of discoloration on it. So we've got those four there and those two there. We've got to desolder to remove it. I've been on the interweb and I picked up another one with the exact same numbers, exact same make, about 20 quid. So 20 quid if I can get that changed. 6 connectors on the back, 4 big ones, 2 small ones. So if I can get that changed, this is going to save me 800 quid for a new charger. There we go. Remove the said item from the board. So I did it, as you can see here. I heated each one up one at a time, and I got the blow air gun and I'll make it quiet. Better. The blow air gun off the compressor, and then just as I heated them up to blow the solder off. You can see it's all over the relay underneath. That doesn't matter. It's going in the bin. Just have to clean it up a little bit from some of the solder splatters, and that is ready to accept that relay plugged in there. As you can see, the relay's in place, all the pins are up, same height as everything else. We're just going to block solder on all of them. There we go. All soldered back together. Can you tell the difference to the bottle ones? Am I good at this or what? Like I say, if you don't know what you're doing, don't touch the sodding thing. Either get somebody in or spend the money and buy a new one. So I'm going to fit this board back together. Everything's on nice, all the same height, all flush. New one on there. I'm going to bang this back on, give it a go, and if it all works, I'll load this up onto the internet. If it doesn't work, you'll never see it. Let's have a quick look at this relay. Number on it. Not very bad. It's not bad inside, to be honest. You see in this light, not the best light. It's a bit cloudy outside, but you can see it. Both contacts are free. I'm working. As you can see down there in the light, the contacts don't look bad or burnt or worn out. According to the interweb, that's the one that always fails, and it's all free and working. So we'll have to wait and see if it all looks okay. But yeah, on the face of it, it looks okay. I've changed it. Let's see if the situation improves. Okay then, the car's basically full. Fill the car up to about, yeah, we're on 7 kilowatts going in. Fast charge. There we go, everything seems to be working. So, if this has been helpful, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. See you next time.